Everything starts with the first part. Open the browser and access CrownCAD directly. Create a new part and start sketching. Redundant sketch lines convert to reference line automatically after trimming. The original profile stays accessible at any time without redrawing. The system detects and highlights unclosed sketch profile automatically. Hidden risks are removed before extrusion to avoid repeated troubleshooting. Extrude boss extends directly up to body, require no distance calculation and manual alignment. Extrusion associations update automatically with target face movement. Original design intent remains fully preserved. The whole wizard supports major international standards, including ISO, AN/SI, JIS, and DIN. Standards switch with one click to satisfy delivery requirements of different projects. During design revisions, delete all same specification holes in one step, skipping the tedious work of individual selection. To reposition multiple faces at once, simply box select and move them in batches without editing each face individually. Key parameters including area and moment of inertia display directly upon part completion. These parameters are ready for engineering analysis. Your model is automatically saved to the cloud throughout the design process, without manual saving or sorting through multiple versions. Assembly design starts right after parts are prepared. Associated reference parts remain when deleting parts with external reference. A warning for dangling external references appears at once. Reference details show with a single click on the preview. The standard parts library follows global common standards. Smart Fastener finishes selection and assembly automatically. Manual checking of model manuals is avoided. Purchase tooling parts set as an envelope appear with dashed lines in engineering drawings. These parts are excluded from the bill of materials automatically to keep procurement lists and inventory records precise. Engineering drawings generate directly from finished models. Centermark is added in batches to replace manual, single-line drawing. Drawing creation time reduces significantly. Line scale sets uniformly and drafting standards switch with one click. The system adapts quickly to ISO, AN/SI, JIS, and DIN based on customer requirements. Engineering drawings update synchronously when models are modified. Drawings and models stay consistent to eliminate version mismatches completely. CrownCAD delivers more professional design capabilities for typical structures such as sheet metal and weldment. The International Profile Library supports direct use in weldment design. Standard profiles including square steel, angle steel, and channel steel are fully prepared. Manual cross-section drawing is not required. Sheet metal designs extrude directly to specified points or faces. Vent is created in one step with dedicated features. Standard sheet metal drawings export for direct application in factory production. Visit global.crowncad.com to start designing.